welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ijoma here. How are you guys doing? It's good to have you guys back here today. Yeah, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. I am Ijoma Ume. I'm from Anambra State and I'm a new YouTuber. Please help me grow by subscribing, liking and sharing my video. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Now let's dive into today's topic. I brought a review on Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion, the 12% lactic acid. This lotion is a bomb, though it's very expensive now. I got this lotion December 2023, and since then I've used it 10 times, just small. It's a brightening lotion and it also exfoliates the skin. Yeah, I made a review about this lotion. That was my first YouTube video and that was my first trial on YouTube. When I first created this video, I had little to no knowledge about the lotion because I just started using it and I had just a little experience using it. But now I've used this lotion for at least 6 December, January, February, March, April, May. This is 6 months of using Amlactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion. And if you get the big one, this is 5, 6, 7 grams of it. This lotion will last you for, if you know how to use lotion like me, this lotion will last you for a year, I tell you, because I've used it for 6 months and it's just here and it's just still here. Though I have other lotion I use, this is not my main lotion. I use it 2 or 3 times in a week. Yeah, I use it 2 or 3 times in a week, and one of these days I will make a review on my full skincare routine video. Soonest, I promise, soonest I'll bring that to you guys, because a lot of people are asking me, what do you use and can you tell us whatever you use. Now about this lotion is nice. The truth is, when I start using this lotion, I stopped experiencing keratosis, paralysis on my skin, which is aka chicken skin or strawberry skin, because I am prone to having it around my elbow, around my lap region. Using this lotion, this has helped me to get rid of that. Yeah, I stopped experiencing it. It stopped it totally, but I don't know, maybe when I'm done using this lotion, maybe it will reoccur, I don't know. But for now, I'm not experiencing any of that. Now, this lotion, some people complained that it darkens them, and that's the reason why I am making this video today. This is the main reason why I'm making this video today. Now, this is how you use this lotion. This lotion will glow your skin. It's a good moisturizing lotion, but you are not to use this during the day. Please don't use this lotion during the day. And when you're using this lotion, you would not experience knuckles whatsoever on your skin. You would not experience knuckle. Like, it will clear your skin, it will clean you up, it will brighten your skin. It's not a lightening lotion, please. It's a brightening lotion. It exfoliates the skin and it's going to treat any skin issue, especially if you are the type that used to break out, that has all this body acne. You always break out on your skin, on your body, maybe chest, but any part of your body. You have spots, you have black dots, and it's going to remove every impurities on your skin. Yeah, quote me anywhere. It's going to brighten your skin. It's going to clear your skin from any roughness. It's going to rejuvenate your skin. It's going to give you a plumpy, radiant and glowing skin if you have dry and rough skin. This 12% lactic acid is for people that have rough dry skin. This is for rough dry skin, people that has rough skin, like flaky skin, rough skin, your skin is never smooth. This lotion is going to help you. But then this product is now on the high side. It's very expensive. Now this product is retailed for almost, let's say, 50 something thousand naira. That is Nigerian naira. Yeah, it's on a very high side due to the high demand. The demand has increased so much. This lotion, Amlactin Daily 12% Lactic Acid Moisturizing Lotion. It's going to moisturize your skin, no doubt. For rough and dry skin, it boasts LD skin renewal. Checked. True gentle exfoliation. Checked. It exfoliates the skin very well. Leave dry skin soft and smooth. Checked. Correct. Deep moisturizes, non-greasy. Correct. Yeah, this lotion deeply moisturizes your skin. It is non-greasy. It's non-greasy, though it has this velvety finish on your skin. When you apply it on your skin, now you see my skin after I seen this. Yeah, so that's what you would experience. Why? Yeah, don't mind my skin. My skin is in a mess now because of I tried out a product, and this product is dealing with me. I'm trying to get back my normal skin tone now. I'm battling with my skin now. So it is fragrance free and paraben free. If you know you are the type that does not like lotions that has fragrance or stuff like that, just get this. It does not have any fragrance, but then the smell is it smells like all this druggy. I don't know, but when you get it, just go and get it so that you wouldn't say what I said discouraged you. Just go get it. The smell is not bad. Within some minutes it will go off, but it does not have any fragrance. It has just the fragrance is just there. Now this moisturizer, let's read from the back now. This moisturizing lotion contains clinically proven 12% lactic acid that boosts the skin natural renewal process through gentle exfoliation. Use daily to reveal softer and smoother skin. This lotion, personally, I love it. Like, I love this lotion. Yes, forget the hyping online, and it is not hype right now. This lotion would do a lot of things for you. It will exfoliate your skin. Maybe you are the type that don't like exfoliating, physical scrub or anything, though I don't advise that. But using this, you would experience a lot of relief using this, because without even using any physical scrub or anything, lactic acid in it exfoliates the skin. Now, for people that complained of getting darker using this lotion, while you use this lotion, please don't use it as your regular lotion. Please, I would advise you, please, when you're using this lotion, get your normal complexion lotion. If you're a caramel skin, you're a dark skin person, use it. Don't buy any other lotion. But if you're on the face side, you are light in complexion, please get a complexion lotion for yourself. Or better still, you get alpha lotion that contains glycolic acid. That one penetrates deeper into the skin, and that one will give you a fast brightening than this. Yeah, that one works faster than this. Yeah, but it contains glycolic acid, while this contains 12 lactic acid, and lactic acid works more for people with dry skin, while glycolic works faster and better for people with oily. That is that for the acids. So if you know that, yes, that this you're a light skin, please get a good complexion lotion. You use this maybe 2-3 times in a week, then use your other lotions every other days. Then get a good whitening or lightening complexion soap or shower gel to go with it. Don't solely say, okay, well, let me put all my trust on this lotion. This is just a moisturizing lotion which helps in exfoliating. Don't expect this to lighten you. It doesn't lighten you. It doesn't lighten. It doesn't whiten. Please don't let anybody deceive you. But when it comes to giving you a glowing and radiant skin, giving you a softer skin, giving you a plumpy baby skin, baby-like skin, a smooth feel skin, a healthy glow, a healthy skin, this will do it. But when it comes to giving you 2 to 3 shades, even 1 shade, please don't expect that from this lotion. That's the truth. Yeah. So for people that said, okay, I'm caramel and I'm light skin, but I don't have money to buy another lotion, I spend a lot getting this. Now this is what you're going to do for me. You could get, I'll be dropping some serum on the screen and the name, so you could get that and use while you pour. When you take some part of this lotion, you add that into it, you work it in your hand, then apply on your skin. Only at night, please. And while using this lotion, please don't use it during the day. If it's during the day, you'll be burnt, you will go dark, like totally dark. Don't be like me, please. Don't be like me. I was actually doubting Thomas at some point. I'd be like, what will this lotion do when you go under the sun? Nothing will happen. My dear, my God, I'm still battling with it too. So I used this lotion during the day. I went out. Actually, that day, it was a bit cloudy that day. I didn't know it's going to be sunny that day. So on getting out, I spent longer time than expected. So my God, sun dealt with me that day. When I go back, I will be like tired. You see, tired. I will be like tired. You'll be like this person, then burn me with fire. Like oh my God, I was just like roasted plantain that day. Like I went dark. The sun tan on my face, that on my body, not face, on my body was serious. Since that day, please don't use this during the day unless you work in this. Maybe you work in the bank or somewhere that you're always under the AC. You don't go under the sun at all during the day. Then you can use this. You have a car. When you come down from your car, you enter your office. From your office, inside your car, go home. There's AC in your house. Please, then you can use it. But if you are like me, I don't have car. Please, oh, don't try it too. Biko, let me beg in my language. Because they know. Don't try it, please. Don't use it. When you get back in the night, do your normal cleansing, then go in with this lotion. If you want it to lighten you, this is what you're going to do. Get any of these serums I'm going to be putting on the screen now. When you get it, in your palm, pump out some of your lotion, then add some quantity of your serum or oil in it, then mix it together, apply all over your body. Get a good lightening or whitening shower gel. A good shower gel that works, that you know that it lightens you very well. Please get it. A good soap. I have soaps that I will be dropping a video on. Another set of good soap. New discovery. New soaps that when you use it, just give it to me. Trust me when I tell you they work. My skin, do you know why I said whenever I tell you something work, just believe me? I have a very tough skin that things hardly work for me. Whatever works for me, my dear, is going to be in its full glory when someone else uses it. Because things hardly work for me. So that's why I said whatever works for me, my dear, take it from me. It will definitely work for you. So just combine it with this serum and a good soap and use with a good face cream. But don't use it in the morning, please. Just strictly at night. In the morning, please use your sunscreen, please. Now we've come to the end of the video. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it to your loved ones, friends and families, And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so to support this lady here, because 96% of people watching my videos have not subscribed to this channel. And please help me grow by liking, subscribing, and sharing my video, and also turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be among the first to be notified. Please, thank you for watching. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.